Well, hey there. Look what I got. Oh yeah. Salted caramel grams. Walmart for $1. They had all their Christmas wax on clearance. And I could not find it in the original area. So I walked on down to the end cap while I was walking through. And I looked over and there it all was. Christmas wax in all its glory. And fall. So look at that. I took the container and all. So I got one pumpkin maple. And it pretty much matches the other ones. And then I got 9 of the salted caramel grams. And there was probably 2 more of these there, and it was hard to say no. $1 a piece. That's a good deal. So that's what I got at Walmart. I got some, oh, I'll show you what else I got too. I got some wrapping paper. 75% off, who could say no? And this. And then I also got this for $1. It was originally $3.98. It's all still together. Has paper clips, push pins, and green bulldog clips. I had found another one, but this was missing this piece, so this must come apart once you unwrap it. And I almost got it, and I said, no, something's wrong with it. So I put it back, and I was walking down the other aisle, and that was there. So that was my trip to Walmart the other day. Besides that, it's just been cold. The cats are restless, really restless. I had a pretty crappy day at work today, but it is what it is. I always tell my co-worker and my boss always say, I resign in my head every day. I just keep coming back to work. There's something wrong with that. But it's Friday. Oh, I got new pajamas on. They have gingerbread man and sugar cookies and a house and eggnog. They're cute. I got them at Old Navy, part of my Christmas gift. And it's freezing outside. Oh, it's so cold. I'm ready for a thaw. What else is going on? I'll show you a little snippet of what I'm working on. I just been kind of, you know how the cold just sucks all your energy out of you, so you don't do anything? Well, that's kind of where I've been this week. I just haven't been in the mood to do anything. And went to the grocery store. Well, went to Michael's and then went to the grocery store because I had a coupon burning a hole in my pocket. So, and that was it. And then tonight we went out to get something to eat. So it's Chris's, which is the kid holding Luna. That'd be Samantha's boyfriend. So it was his birthday Sunday. So we took him out to dinner for his birthday. And that's all. Trying to think what else is going on. Just been cold, snowy, cold. And the cats are just restless. So I'll just wrap it up here. Money challenge week 2. Yes, week 2. I have to get money out. I don't have any money on me. I don't even have a $1 bill on me, so let me see what I get. I mix it up real good. I keep getting hair in my mouth. Ugh. Because it's so staticky. What is that? Oh, not bad. So week 2 is $6 if you're following me. If not, I guess pull your own. And hope everyone has a nice weekend. Stay warm, and I'll talk to you real soon. Bye. Well, since I don't have much happening on this Friday evening, I'll show you what I'm working on. Yeah, a mess. That's what, working on a mess. So that's where I do the score and then fold up. And then this becomes actually a pocket in a journal. Pretty, huh? And then these will be what I sew into my journal. So I just put all my papers together. Can you tell it's going to be a Valentine's Day journal? And then there's the second one. I have it pinned together because I have a couple bags in there. There's one. So they just kind of hold it together. And this one I can move around pretty freely because I don't have anything that's small that's going to fall out. I do have a little pocket right there. So that's what I got working on right now. And all these little paper pieces get everywhere. And then they get on my floor. And that'd be the cats chasing each other. Make sure my glue, that's what you always gotta make sure your lid's on your glue. And I actually lucked out. I went to Michael's the other day and was looking around. And I found this buried amongst the other paper pads. And I had a 50% off coupon, so I got it for $9.99. And I like it because it's double-sided. They didn't have much else there. They had a couple of other, like starting on the Valentine's display. But nothing I wanted. I only had the one coupon, so I got that. Let me show you what else is going on. Oh, I'll put the insert of the puppy here, and then I'll just wrap it up. Okay, here's the baby Luna. Look how big she's getting.
She can't fit in my hand anymore.
And there's Mama. Oh, hello, little puppy. Wow.
I can fit her in my pocket if I wanted to. Not anymore, but I was able to at one point.
It's okay, Foxy.
All right, I'll put her back in the bed.
Let me see her one more time. Oh, hello. Oh,
say hi, Luna.
Baby. There's an unhappy kitty cat because it's cold outside. Oh, Fluff. And that's Bella down there. What you doing, Bellas?
She's jealous.
Yeah, she is.